Hi friends, how are you? Now this is Dr. A B JENA. Once again I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. By blessings of the God, you are doing well. And today we will discuss the very vital subjects so far as that is the corporate restructuring, merger and acquisitions. And today we will discuss what is the meaning of merger, what is the meaning of acquisition, and what are the different types of merger, as well as what is the basic difference between merger and acquisition. So I am hopeful that you will enjoy in this video. Okay, don't skip the video. So just you spare 10 to 12 minutes and you will learn a lot with regard to the merger and acquisitions and the different types of merger and what is the basic difference between the merger and acquisition. Okay, dear friends, without delay we will start our academic journey. Okay, so what is the meaning of a merger? Yes friends, so merger involves the combination of all assets, liabilities, loans and business of whose the going concern basis, means the running business of two or more companies such that one of them survives. Again I am repeating, what is the meaning of merger? So merger involves the combination of all assets, liabilities, loans, businesses of a going concern of two or more companies such that one of them survives. Okay, so by citing the examples, then you will be clear what is the meaning of the merger. Okay, example. So company A, we are acquainted with the popular companies of Brookbond India Limited. A company is the Brookbond India Limited and the B company is the Lipton India Limited. And so after merging the Brookbond India Limited, Lipton India Limited, then there will be the AB company. So AB company will be what? The Brookbond Lipton India Limited. Okay, dear friends, come to the what is the meaning of acquisition? The meaning of acquisition, so it's a acquisition is an attempt. Acquisition is an attempt, or it is a process by which a company or an individual or a group of individuals acquires control over the another company known as the target company. Yes, acquisition. So it is an attempt or process by which a company or an individual or a group of individuals acquires the control over the another company known as the target company. By citing the suitable examples, so we will discuss what are the different types of the merger. Then we will discuss what is the difference between the merger and acquisition. At there we will cite the suitable examples. Yes. So types of merger. So first one is that is the horizontal merger. What is this horizontal merger? It is a merger which occurs between B/W between the companies in the same industry. Okay, the suitable examples of horizontal merger: a merger between Coca-Cola, thanda matlab Coca-Cola, and the Pepsi beverage division. So it was the horizontal merger. And another example, the merger between the HP and Compaq in the year 2011. So dear friends, now you are clear what is the meaning of a horizontal merger. In the same line, so vertical merger, what is this vertical merger? So vertical merger represents a merger of firms engaged in different stages of production. PDN, it stands for productions, or the distributions of the same product or services. Okay, once again I am repeating what is the vertical merger. Vertical merger represents a merger of firms engaged in different stages of production. PWN, it stands for production, or the distribution of the same product or the services. Okay. Now we will cite the suitable examples with him. For vertical merger, first one example is automobile company joining with a parts of a supplier. Okay. Second one example of vertical merger between the America Online and the Time Warner in 2000. So it's the very good example, popular example of a vertical merger. Then come to the third one category, it's the conglomerate merger. Conglomerate merger, what is this? So conglomerate merger is a merger between the firms that are involved in totally unrelated business activities. Totally they are different from each other. The best example is a merger between the Walt Disney Company, merger between the Walt Disney Company and the American Broadcasting Company ABC. American Broadcasting Company, it's the ABC. Total it's unrelated. Then come to the fourth one category or types of merger, it's the market extension merger. What is this market extension merger? Takes place between two companies that deal in same products but in separate market. Yes. Dear friends, once again I am repeating, the market extension merger, it takes place between two companies that deal in same products but in separate market. Example, acquisition of bank shares and she incorporated by the RBC Centura in the year of 2002. It's the very good or the popular examples of market extension merger. Then next one category or types of merger is it's the product extension merger. What is this? Product extension merger takes place between two firms that deal in products which are related to each other and so they operate in the same market. Example, acquisition of Mobilink Telecom incorporated Inc by that is the Broadcom, the popular example. So acquisition of Mobilink Telecom Inc by the Broadcom. So next one, the last types of merger is it's the reverse merger, or you can say that is the reverse takeover merger. So it's the RTO. What is this? So this merger is a merger in which a private company becomes a public company. So we have already discussed what is the meaning of private company and the public company, and what is the basic difference between a private company and the public company. So I am requesting to all of you, kindly you see what is the basic difference between the private company and the public company. Yes. So reverse merger, it is a merger in which a private company becomes a public company by acquiring it. The best example, popular example of reverse merger is that is ICI Group merged with its the arm, means with the ICICI Bank in the year 2002 to create a universal bank to lend the fund or finance both the industry and the retail borrowers. Okay, dear friends, you can take the screenshot. Now we will move towards, or we will discuss what is the basic difference between the merger and acquisition. Now we will discuss the last part of this video lecture. What is the basic difference between the merger and acquisition? So far as the difference between the merger and acquisitions, so there are 9 basis of comparison. So first one is that is the meaning. We have already discussed what is the meaning of merger as well as the acquisition. Again, the merger, it is a process of merging of two companies into one. By citing the suitable example, we have already discussed. And what is the meaning of merger, we have also discussed. So it is the buying of one company by another company. So one company will acquire the another company. Okay. Come to the second one, basis of comparison. It's the example. What are the examples of the merger? The popular example of merger is that is the Vodafone Idea merger. Vodafone Idea merger. And so far as the acquisition is concerned, the popular the examples of acquisition is Walmart acquisition of Flipkart. Okay. Then what is the purpose of merger? On the basis of the taking into the comparison the purpose basis of point, the merger happens to reduce the competition. Okay. So merger is there, okay, or the merger will be taken place to reduce the competition and to increase the market share and the profitability positions of a business or a company. So that is the main purpose behind the merger. And what is the main purpose behind the acquisition? So acquisition is to consolidate the growth of the business. So acquisition will consolidate the growth of the business. So next one, basis of comparison, it's the size of the business. By taking into the consideration size of the business, in the case of merger, the size of the merging companies is more or less same. Okay, the size, the capital structure, market share. So the size of the merging companies is more or less same. But in the case of acquisition, the acquiring company, okay, then just like the Walmart, okay, is larger or bigger than the acquired one, means the Flipkart company. Yes. So next one, basis of comparison, it's the terms. So what are the terms, okay, or the conditions with a for the merger as well as for the acquisition? Okay, the that is the merger is considered the mutual decision. So here the Vodafone and Idea merger, then the both the management team will sit together and then the merger process will be taken into consideration. So both the party, that is the mutual decision. So here the management of Vodafone and the management of Idea, so they will sit together and they will consider or they will take up the merger process. In the case of acquisition, so such things will not be there or such things will not be happened there. Here, so the acquisition is considered as, okay, either friendly or hostile. Friendly means is so always, that is the merger is always, that is the friendly. So that's why that is the mutual decision. But in the case of acquisition, it may be the, okay, friendly or it may be the hostile. So hostile here, so a company will acquire the another company at any cost or any, that is in hostile manner. Then what are the types of merger? So we have already discussed. So these are the, okay, the horizontal merger. So it may be the, okay, the vertical merger or it may be the conglomerate merger, etc. By citing the suitable examples we have already discussed. And the acquisition mainly, so this may be the hostile acquisition. So here the decision will not be taken of the, that is the offering company, or it may be the friendly. Yes. Then what are the expenses or the cost? By taking into the consideration, that is the expenses involvement or the cost involvement, so merger is expensive than the acquisition due to the higher legal cost. So legal cost are involvement is, or the legal cost is more. So that's why that is the merger is expensive than the acquisition. Whereas just reverse, in the case of acquisition, so acquisition is less expensive than the merger, because, okay, if it's that is the hostile, definitely, so this will be the less expensive to the business or the company. Then by taking into the basis of comparison time, so merger, it is the time consuming process because the legal cost is there, so mutual decision will be taken into consideration. So that's why, so merger is the time consuming process, okay, for the completion of a merger. Whereas in the case of acquisition, so acquisition is faster and easier transaction as compared to the merger. Okay, so last but not the least, so or the last basis of comparison, it's the bid. So in merger, the bid is generally by the consent of the management of both the companies. So here Vodafone and Idea. So definitely the bid, that is the final, okay, that is the final consideration. Final consideration, so will be taken into consideration by taking the, okay, consent of both the companies, I mean the Vodafone and Idea. So but in the case of acquisition, bid is frequently against the wishes of the management of the offeree company. So by citing, okay, so here the Flipkart. So here the offeree company and the offerer company is Walmart. So that's why the bid is frequently against the wishes of the management of the offeree company. So these are all about today's discussion. So dear friends, I am hopeful you have learned a lot. If you like this video lecture, kindly you share, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you like it, and I am requesting, I am waiting for your that is the valuable or nice comment. Kindly you give your comment. So once again, thanks a lot to all of you.